Have you ever thought that with just a simple bay leaf from your kitchen, you may find gentle support for issues like varicose veins, leg soreness, knee, or back discomfort, all in a natural way without spending on costly treatments? Instead of relying only on medications or expensive options, you can try this simple home practice with bay leaves. This familiar spice has long been valued for its soothing qualities, helping to ease discomfort and bring a sense of relief. Here I share simple and natural recipes that anyone can easily do right at home. It may sound surprising, but this traditional folk tip has been used for generations, and many people find it brings wonderful comfort. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 very easy ways to use bay leaves that may help ease soreness and bring more relaxation into your daily life. Now, let's get started with the first recipe. The only ingredient in this recipe is the humble bay leaf. At first glance, it may seem simple and ordinary, but in fact, this little leaf carries wonderful soothing properties. With this familiar kitchen spice, you can create a gentle home remedy that may help ease leg soreness, bring relaxation, and add lightness to every step, all in a natural way without complicated methods. The preparation is straightforward and can be done at home. You'll only need about 3 to 5 bay leaves, and you can use either fresh or dried ones. If the dried leaves break or tear during the drying process, don't worry, this does not take away their beneficial qualities. The valuable natural compounds in bay leaves remain intact and continue to provide their supportive effects, allowing you to enjoy the full value of this small but remarkable leaf. Before bedtime, simply place a few bay leaves inside your socks right near the heel, a spot connected to many important pressure points in the body. Once your socks are on, gently massage the soles of your feet in small circular motions, pressing lightly to warm them up. This helps your feet better absorb the essence of the bay leaves while also encouraging healthy circulation. As you rest, this gentle combination allows the natural essence of the bay leaves to gradually penetrate the skin, bringing a sense of relaxation and easing feelings of swelling or discomfort in the legs. You can use just 2 to 3 leaves if you prefer to keep it simple, or add more if you'd like stronger support. It's completely flexible. After a night of use, you may notice your legs feeling lighter, your mind more at ease, and even a deeper, more restful sleep. This is a gentle and natural way to care for yourself that's easy to keep as part of a daily routine. For best results, try maintaining this practice regularly for about 15 days. During this time, the valuable compounds in bay leaves such as eugenol and other naturally soothing elements can gradually provide their supportive effects, helping to ease swelling, bring comfort to joints and muscles, and leave your body feeling lighter and more relaxed. How do you usually use bay leaves? Feel free to share your own tips or experiences in the comments below so that everyone can learn and try them out together. So we've just finished the first recipe. Now let's move on to the second one. For the second tip, we'll still be using bay leaves as the main ingredient. But when combined with a few other familiar items, you'll discover a completely different and pleasantly surprising benefit. The first ingredient, of course, is bay leaves. They contain eugenol, a natural compound known for its soothing qualities that may help calm swelling and ease discomfort in areas where veins feel heavy. Bay leaves are also valued for supporting healthy circulation, which in turn can help reduce pressure along the vein walls. You'll only need about 10 leaves fresh or dried. Even when dried, their antioxidants remain active. These antioxidants are believed to help protect the blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals, while gently supporting stronger, more resilient veins. Before using gently, tear the bay leaves into smaller pieces, so their natural essence can be released more easily. This simple yet important first step helps the soaking process work more effectively and allows the leaves to share their soothing qualities. It's a gentle way to support comfort, calm irritation, and ease the feelings that come with varicose veins naturally and safely. Next, place the leaves into a clean glass bowl so we can move on to the following step. The next ingredient is chamomile, a delicate yet valuable herb. Chamomile has long been appreciated for its calming and soothing properties. It's known to help with relaxation, provide gentle comfort, and support a restful night's sleep. In addition, its pleasant fragrance and mild flavor bring a sense of peace and ease, making it a wonderful addition to this recipe. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile. Add this into the glass bowl where we already have the bay leaves. When chamomile blends with bay leaves, they make a wonderful pair, helping to ease swelling while also bringing comfort and relaxation to the body. The final ingredient is a carrier oil. Olive oil is a great choice, though coconut oil works beautifully as well. Both are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and natural fatty acids that can nourish the skin, calm irritation, and gently support skin renewal. Here I'm choosing olive oil, a familiar kitchen staple often called liquid gold, for its benefits to both health and skin. Slowly pour the olive oil into the glass bowl until all the ingredients are fully covered. Next, gently stir everything together. You'll notice the natural elements beginning to blend, creating a simple herbal mixture that's easy to prepare and wonderfully supportive for relaxation and self-care. Once the ingredients are well mixed, place the bowl in the microwave. Warm it gently for about 30 seconds, just enough heat to help release the natural essence of the herbs. After that, let the mixture cool and rest for about 1 hour. This gives the bay leaves and chamomile time to gently release their natural essence into the carrier oil, making the blend richer and more nourishing. Once enough time has passed, simply strain out the solids using a fine strainer or a thin cloth, keeping only the clear oil. What you have now is an herbal-infused oil, a natural preparation ready to use for self-care. It can be gently massaged into the legs, knees, or other areas to ease feelings of discomfort and bring relaxation right at home safely and simply. To use simply, take a small amount of the infused oil and apply it directly to the areas where your veins feel heavy. Then gently massage the skin for a few minutes to help the oil absorb and to encourage healthy circulation. The best time to do this is in the evening before bedtime, giving your body time to rest while the oil does its work. Even after the first use, you may notice a gentle sense of relief, less tightness, and reduced feelings of swelling or discomfort. With regular use, this soothing oil can also help calm irritation, soften the skin, and provide natural, gentle support for varicose veins in a safe way at home. This infused oil can stay fresh and effective for about 30 days, so you can feel comfortable using it gradually while still enjoying its quality. Store the jar in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. You can apply this method to different areas such as the feet, heels, knees, or even the joints in your hands each time, bringing gentle comfort and soothing relief. So, with just a few familiar ingredients, you now have a natural self-care recipe that's simple, affordable, and supportive for your well-being. Give it a try, and don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. So now you've learned 2 very simple yet helpful folk tips using bay leaves. The best part about both methods is that they don't rely on conventional pain medicine. So you don't have to worry about the side effects that can come with long-term use of pills. It's a lovely reminder that nature often provides us with gentle treasures all around, and when used wisely, they can support our well being in a safe and lasting way. Please remember the recipes in this video are for reference only and are not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural self-care tips each week. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you good health and peace always. See you in the next video.